Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a transaction hash ID, also known as a transaction ID or TXID, on Binance step by step. First, open the Binance app on your device. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in is essential because you need full access to your transaction history. After you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. From there, tap on the Assets section. This is where you can see your balances and manage your funds. Next, select Funding, since this is where most deposits and withdrawals happen. Inside the funding wallet, look for the History option. Tap on it. This page shows all your recent activity, including deposits, withdrawals, and transfers. Think of it as your personal transaction record inside Binance. Now, choose the type of transaction you're looking for. You'll typically see options like deposit, withdraw, or transfer. Select the correct category to filter your results and make the search easier. Once you see the list of transactions, tap on the specific one you need details for. This will open a more detailed view showing important information like the date, amount, network used, status, and most importantly, the transaction hash or TXID. The transaction hash is a unique identifier for that specific blockchain transaction. You can think of it like a fingerprint. No two transactions have the same hash. It allows you to track and verify your transaction on the blockchain. When you find the TXID, simply tap on it to copy it to your clipboard. You can then paste it into a blockchain explorer or send it to someone if they need proof of payment. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily find your transaction hash ID on Binance whenever you need it, whether it's for tracking a withdrawal, resolving an issue, or confirming a payment. Thanks for watching, and happy trading on Binance.